Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to remove a Google account from Google Photos but weren't sure where to start, this video is for you. Maybe you're switching accounts, sharing a device, or just cleaning things up. Whatever the reason, today I'll show you the foolproof 2025 method to completely sign out and remove a Google account from Google Photos. Stick around, because I'll also share an important tip about what not to delete if you only want to remove access, not your entire Google account. Open Google Photos first, open your preferred web browser, and head to Google Photos. The quickest way is to click the Google Apps grid in the top right corner of any Google page, those 9 dots, then select Photos. This ensures you're working directly with the account currently connected to Google Photos. Sign out of all accounts. Once inside Google Photos, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or account icon. In the menu that appears, choose Sign Out of All Accounts. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything. It simply logs you out. If prompted, click Continue to confirm. Remove the account. After signing out, you'll land on the Google Account Chooser screen. Here's where you actually remove the account. Click Remove an Account. You'll see a list of all Google accounts that were previously signed in. Find the one linked to Google Photos that you want to remove, then click the Remove button and confirm. That's it. This account is now completely disconnected from Google Photos on this browser or device. Important note: remember, removing the account only stops access. It does not delete your photos or the account itself. If you really want to erase all photos data, you'd have to delete the entire Google account, which is a much bigger step. For most people, removing the account is all you need. And there you have it, a quick, full 2025 guide to removing a Google account from Google Photos. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech how-tos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.